If your washer stops spinning or draining, you may not need a repair service. This quick factory reset can fix many common issues in under 5 minutes. This method works on Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers and requires no tools or technical experience. If the reset does not work, see the linked video on error codes for further diagnosis. Washer reset steps. Step 1. With the washer off, turn the control dial counterclockwise 1 full rotation. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks right, 1 click left, and 1 click right. If the lights begin flashing, diagnostic mode is active. Step 3. Turn the dial 4 more clicks to the right and press start to complete the reset. Step 4. Wait a few minutes. If the washer shuts off and the lid unlocks, the reset was successful. If lights continue flashing or the washer does not unlock, watch the error code video shown next. Like and subscribe for more repair tips and troubleshooting guides.